Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a millimeter dimension style for a feet inches environment. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, unit, length type, architectural, precision 1/16, insertion scale, set inches. Okay, now go annotate, current dimension style name, set feet, style name feet. Okay, now go dimension style, D enter, select new, start with feet, select style name, new style name, millimeter, continue, go lines, dimension lines, color by layer, line type by layer. Okay, extension lines, color by layer. Okay, extend beyond dim lines, ½ inch, offset from origin 19/32 inch. Okay, go symbol and arrows, arrowhead, select current arrowhead, dot small. Okay, leader close field, arrow size 2 inch. Okay, now go text, current text style, FT1, click here, FT1, Arial regular, height 1 inch, width factor 0.85. Okay, cancel, text style set, FT1. Okay, text color by layer, text placement vertical above, horizontal centered, view direction left to right. Okay, offset from D line ½ inch. Okay, text alignment, align with D line tick. Okay, now go fit, either text or arrow tick beside the dimension line tick. Okay, primary units, linear dimension, unit format, select decimal, precision 0, suffix type millimeter as you wish, scale factor set 25.4. Okay, now select OK, dimension style, select millimeter, set current, close. Okay, let's see, millimeter dimension style, linear, click here. Okay, repeat linear. Okay, again go dimension style, D enter, millimeter, modify, primary units, precision, select 0.0. Okay, close. Now it's okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.